Hi everyone, my name is Myka. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! It's officially 2023 and actually the end of the month. So a lot of things happened last December and I wasn't able to upload more videos, and I'm kind of getting slower in my YouTube game. So I'm really pushing myself to at least upload one video before January ends. So today's video is about behind the scenes episode 3, where I made this beautiful two-piece garment for a dear friend of mine for her debut. And yeah, this was one of the most memorable looks that I made last year. So I hope you enjoy. And this is Via's design, a two-piece, a leg of mutant sleeves with ribbons on the side, plus this bubble skirt that I love so much. Via wanted something unique, something fresh. I made sure that the design also resembles Via's personal style. Now let's go to the pattern making process. This usually takes 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the actual design, but this pattern just took me 30 minutes, which was great for me. And this one is the leg of mutton sleeve pattern. This is how you spread it and make it bigger so you can get that puff sleeve effect on the top. And this is the mini skirt pattern, and I make the exact same thing but longer at the back. So this is the Duchess satin in off-white. I'm using this. I often use this on my projects because it's the perfect weight for the silhouette that I want to achieve. After cutting, we sew and sew and sew. So the top looks like this after sewing. And then I already placed the bust pads and also the boning. I keep forgetting to film when I put the boning. I haven't ironed the top, so that's why there's a lot of wrinkles and creases. This is how the leg of mutant sleeves looks like when it's spread onto another pattern. And then you tape it and you get this mushroom shape. Fun fact, the leg of mutant sleeve made its first appearance in the late 1820s. The style continued into the 1830s. The French originally named this style the gigot sleeve due to the sleeve's unique shape. In French, gigot literally means the hind quarters of an animal. In the English-speaking world, the name translated into leg of mutton or leg au mutton. This sleeve was characterized by voluminous amounts of fabric at the sleeve cup, which eventually tapered down narrowly at the wrist. The leg of mutant sleeves really fascinates me. That's why I really wanted to learn more about its history. We're so blessed that we have the whole internet to research about history, about fashion, and about certain silhouettes. So now I've finished sewing the sleeves and it looks like this. Now we move to the bubble skirt. Now we're putting the zipper, and then we also placed pockets. As much as possible, we put pockets. The bubble skirt has two patterns. One mini skirt, which is the lining, and then one circular skirt, which will be the shell fabric. And when you attach it together, it makes this donut-looking skirt like this. And it's just beautiful looking. And when you finish it, it looks like this. And it makes it look like a bubble. The last part is doing the grommets and making sure that its pair aligns well so that it connects together, like the back and the sleeves. So I have this tool and I use it to make grommets, to punch the grommets onto the fabric with a hammer. To complete the whole look, we'll just have to put through the grommets this violet ribbon. I really love the color violet as an accent for the whole look. I also put in an extra black ribbon in case she wanted to change the violet ones. And we're done!
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something about the Leg of Mutton Sleeves and even the bubble skirt. If you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And please don't forget to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram, Jillian.Myka. I'll be posting everyday stories there, and also I'll be more consistent on TikTok starting today. So watch out for that. Thank you so much and see you next week. Bye!